A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, enough people want for the pan top at everybody else. Enough people want power. But I wonder if them understand, say the way to get the power there, if we serve everybody. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, just go do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 10 from verse 35 to verse 45. James and John, Zebedee two boy them, go to Jesus and said to him, say, Teacher, we are going to ask you something, and we hope say you will do what we ask you. So Jesus asked them, say, what no want me for do for no? Them say, when you come in your bright light for rule, make one of we sit on at your right hand side and the other one on your left hand side. But Jesus tell them, say, uno no know, we no really ask. Uno can drink when me bout for drink, or get baptized like oh me go get baptized. I suffer, me I go suffer, you know. Them say, yeah, we can do that. Then Jesus said to them, say, for real, you know, I go drink from the cup where me drink from, and baptize the same way me get baptized. But if it sit on pa me right hand side, or me left hand side, I know fi me figure way. Cause them position there don't put up for the one them who forget them already. No, when the other 10 follower them hear this, them get mad with James and John. But Jesus called them and said to them, say, uno know say the rule of them for the people we are not Jew, boss them up. And the one them we in a top position. Ever I tell them what to do. But I know so it go amongst uno. Instead of that, if nobody want have top position amongst uno, them have to serve uno. And if none of uno want come first, uno must turn everybody slave. Just like the man where God picked name come here for nobody serve him. A come here for serve people and for give up him life so people can get free from them sin. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.